Uh,
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Wanted to show you guys meet Kevin really quick. He's streaming. He's a good one to watch streaming. I'm not able to stream right now, just for my life. But basically, he was showing different stocks that were shorted, and he's got a Bloomberg terminal, which is a way to get the most accurate, up to date news. I was showing you guys FinViz, which yeah, like I was saying in them, if this is accurate, I kept saying that as disclaimer, and I think this is accurate. I think it's just not updated that like this isn't updated all the time. I don't know if it's even if you get, let's see, elite, maybe if you have elite, maybe it's updated more often. But I just watched him check the Bloomberg terminal, and on there it was showing GME was 50 something percent short float at this time, which is February 2nd, 1st. So this is showing 121%. I didn't want to mislead you guys because yeah, you don't want to go all in on different YouTube videos or different things because there's so much misinformation. This was 121%. I don't know when this was updated last, but I just saw the Bloomberg terminal, and I'm kind of trusting that that was more accurate and more up to date. And that was saying GameStop was around 53%. He also checked, which was interesting, Rocket. And Rocket, he said, was 48%, high 40s, which I was actually excited about because I am long on Rocket. With that information, I actually got some more. I got some Rocket calls on our E-Trade account. Because I'm just, yeah, I hold Rocket in the long term, and I have calls in it in here. But yeah, if Rocket's even close to GameStop on the short interest, I'd be I'd be happy with that. GameStop ripping up right now. So when a lot of you guys, I'm gonna have a recap video later today. But if here's these short ladder attacks, basically anytime it's moving up and down, it's getting shorted and bought and back and forth. So it's not just like one big time, oh, this is a short ladder attack. This is a lot of these times when it's low volume, it's not big positions. They're slowly buying and selling shares, shorting them and going long. If here's another website I actually want to show you guys. It's nasdaq.com actually. So you go to nasdaq.com and then market activity, stocks, and then you can pick it. So here's market activity. Go to stocks. Then you can pick GME. And it'll show you charts or whatever. Excuse me. And then let's see, where do you go for that? Go real time. Can't quite see this over there. Let me okay. Go real time right here. And then this will show you the real time trades that are going on right down here. So view latest real time trades. This is over your head. It's okay. It's kind of over my head too. But basically, this is showing the amount of shares they're trading back and forth. See how these are all like 100 blocks? So I believe that's kind of indicating it's just hedge funds slowly selling, slowly buying, and just keeping the price at a certain spot. And even when there was the big, there's not volume basically. This is showing lack of volume. This is showing these aren't retail traders either. You know, these aren't retail traders slowly buying 100 shares, selling 100 shares. When there was the sell off this morning, right here during this whole spot, I'm pretty sure the block was the same. So we'll go back to it. Let's see. So what you can do, where is it? Okay, so you can set the trade. I think it's like 10 to 10:30. We'll do that. Okay, so here it is. Yeah, because this started kind of 10:20 and then ended kind of at 10:30 right here. This is the bottom. So yeah, you can see a lot of these, and then there are some big ones too. So hedge funds will definitely throw some big ones. But you can see it wasn't a whole ton of, a lot of it was just hundreds and small amounts. Up in here there's some bigger ones, but these could have been buy orders also, because it started buying back up. I mean, every time they're going down, they're also coming up. So they could be the shorts coming down, covering, and then going long. You're 1026. That's a big buy. So that was right here, 4,600 shares. Just kind of a cool resource. I probably won't look at it too much, honestly. This is stuff I don't ever do, but just being so hyper focused on one ticker, you start to look into stuff more and more and how it works. But yeah. Anyways, I was watching Meet Kevin or whatever, and he's big time guy. I watch all sorts of live streams during the day, and he was looking at Bloomberg and different shorted ones, and I wanted you guys to be cautious out there because yeah, this GameStop, according to Bloomberg Terminal, from what I just saw, it's 50 something % shorted. So it doesn't mean that there's not a squeeze that's coming, but yeah, basically it's not 120% as far as I know. And this, I'm not sure when this will be updated. This one says Rocket's 36, but I think it's actually more than that now. GameStop's 121, but I think it's less than that now. So I'm gonna come out with another video later though, and kind of give you guys some of my my strategies. But yeah, that's it for me for GameStop for a bit. Oh, one more thing. So my earlier video today, I was talking about the patterns, and if it breaks this support, it's bearish. It is and it isn't. So on the short term, this looks bearish to me, meaning after hours could sell off. But however, if we're looking at it like this, well, focus on that one. Oh shoot, that's right. Then that's kind of where you're dragging your support lines, and then your resistance lines. So it's kind of, this is when you call like a consolidation, or a wedge, you'd call it. So sometimes wedges are like this. Sometimes one is low and one stays like that. Sometimes this one's up and this one stays flat, like the highs stay flat. There's different sort of patterns and charts and everything. You can decipher from this. This is basically getting squeezed though. As you see, it's getting tighter. The range is getting tighter on how low it goes and how high it goes. And that typically happens before a breakout. Breakout is in one direction or the other. And since this 9 moving average, which is the orange line here, let me get rid of the VWAP, make it a little more simple. This orange line here is the 9 moving average. So 9 candlestick average. This was the average cost on the 9 candlesticks. And then this yellow line is the average cost on 180 candlesticks. So typically when the shorter moving average is above the longer moving average, it's still bullish. So when you have a wedge like this, when it's still in a bullish territory, typically it's still bullish. So yeah, I think there's still a squeeze that's going to happen. This could drop lower before then though. It's getting in a tighter range though. So honestly, this could shoot up today and break out at any moment. It might even be tighter though after hours and tomorrow. And then it probably will break out one way or the other. That's my hypothesis. Be careful out there. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy money sticks around. Happy money is money that you put in and don't look at or touch or pull out. Okay, we will see you in a bit. Peace out.